Assalamualaikum, my name is SITI ZULAIKHA binti Muhammad ZAKI. I am from Group Gamma and I am the representative of my group to present about our project. So here I will be briefly covering about the network design, addressing scheme, implementation and also the live demonstration. So our project is based on a company with two departments, which is the administration and also the technical support. The objective of this project is to build a network to enable the reliable communication within and also between both departments. As you can see here, these are the requirements that our implementation successfully meet, including the network device, dual stack IPv4 and IPv6 configuration, and also the verification method. Here is the network topology that we use. So we use star topology with the router acting as the central device connecting both departments. The administration department consists of 2 PC and also 1 server, while the technical support department consists of 2 PC. Both of these departments are connected through the router for inter-department communication. In this slide, these are the table of the interfaces and also cable types that we use. So the diagram below illustrates the two of the logical subnet, and the router connect both of the subnetwork and also act as the default gateway for each department. For IPv4 addressing, we started with 192.168.1.0/24 and also subnet it into 25 networks. The manual calculation is shown on the left, while the table summarizes the subnet address, usable host range and also broadcast addresses, where each subnet support up to 126 usable hosts. So our IPv4 addressing plan, each device was assigned a static IP address and the router used first usable address in each subnet as the default gateway. We also implemented IPv6 using dual stack configuration, where each department was assigned its own 64 subnet and IPv6 routing was enabled on the router to allow communication between both networks. And here, this is the router configuration. Both interfaces were configured with both addresses, activated with no shutdown, and also IPv6 unicast routing was enabled. And all the PC were configured with static IPv4 and IPv6 addresses based on the addressing plan. The server was configured with both DNS and also HTTP service. This allows user to access the web page using its IP address or the domain www.gamma.com. And now let's move to the verification of the implementation. This is the completed network topology where all the devices are successfully connected. First, let's run the show IP interface brief, and now you can see the both of the router interfaces are up, which confirm that the router is operating correctly. And next, we use ipconfig to verify the PC IPv4 and IPv6 configuration, and then we perform intra-subnet ping following with inter-subnet ping, where both of the tests are successful with 0 packet loss, which confirm that communication within and between department is working correctly. And next, we run tracert, which show that the packets pass through the router before reaching the destination, and then we use NSLOOKUP to verify the this website to resolve correctly to the server IP address. And then lastly, we open the website using www.gamma.com, and here the web page is loading successfully, confirming that both of the DNS and also HTTP service are functioning properly. That is all from us. Thank you.